So after inserting an article, it's the time to delete the article. Okay, so what we can do here, everybody know that the delete button is present in article list.js. So let's go straight forward to article list.js. Okay, and here you can see the delete button. Okay guys, so what I'll change here, this will be delete button, delete bit n. As normal as usual, it will take the article. Okay, let me go to service.js. What I can do here, let me copy this update. Okay, let me copy the update method. Okay guys, then I paste it here. So here I'll do some few changes, like it will also take ID, but it will not take body. Here let me say this is a delete article. So let me delete this. No. Okay, in form or in article list here, let me copy this. So this will be delete button, delete bit n. I think you understand what is going on. And here also let me copy this. So this will be delete bit n. Delete bit n. Okay guys, after that, so this is article list, delete bit n. So let's create delete bit n. Okay, so here const delete bit n to filter the article to be deleted. Here it will be return false. Oh, what is this? Okay, return false. Okay, here it will be return true. To be returned true. So once I go in form, should be this in form, or should it be in article list? This article list. Okay. Okay. So once someone click this const delete, it should be, let me change something here. Okay, so it should be API service dot delete article dot log error. Okay guys, okay, let me refresh this. So what happen if I delete? Wow, you can see we are able to delete. I can delete everything. So we are done with create a post, edit a post, and delete. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do here is to implement the login and register.